Grab some popcorn, head to the restroom, and watch this video if you have not made even a single dime from the new TikTok Creativity Beta program, which has helped many people earn thousands of dollars worldwide. How can I join this program? Maybe on your mind now. Well, having followers isn't everything. TikTok demands the following requirements. You must be 18 years old, a citizen of one of the approved nations, the USA, UK, Germany, or Italy, have 10,000 followers, and have viewed 100,000 videos in the last 30 days. If your nation does not have access to this program, do not give up hope. I'll share with you my special sauce, so you can access the software from anywhere in the cosmos. But don't simply believe what we say. Through this program, we've watched creators soar to success. They began as enthusiastic artists as you did, and now they're creating waves and building a career out of what they love. Let's now discuss strategy. The main goal of this program is to provide engaging material, try out different forms, interact with your audience, keep up with current events, and above all, don't forget to stay loyal to your own style. The key to captivating your audience is authenticity. Some juicy niches exist where anyone can produce content and begin making money immediately, including the Would You Rather, motivational, and Reddit story niches. Since TikTok occasionally decides to demonetize content, there are some challenges associated with making videos. However, don't worry. I'll teach you the secret sauce to get over TikTok's demonetization policies. I've made the decision to make my videos shorter, so I'll be teaching you guys how to sign up for this program from anywhere in the world, as well as the keys to becoming successful with it in my next video. So please subscribe to the channel and watch for our upcoming video, which will make you a wealthy TikTok user without requiring you to reveal your precious face. So, what are you waiting for? Get experimenting and producing, and who knows? You might become the next big thing on TikTok.